Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be introducing you to a powerful trading indicator for 2025, the SuperTrendAI on TradingView. If you want to ride trends effectively and fine-tune your strategy with AI-driven insights, this tool is a game changer. Instead of relying on fixed settings, the AI helps determine the optimal parameters for different market conditions, making trading smarter and more efficient. Stick around as I walk you through the setup process step by step, so you can maximize your trades with this next-level indicator. Before we dive into the strategy settings, let's first go through the data table, where we can see how our strategy has performed in the past. This gives us key insights into our trading performance and risk management. First, let's look at position sizing. Max position size. This tells us the largest position that was open at any given time during the test period. Current position size. Right now, this shows how much capital is currently invested in an open trade. If it's 0, it means there are no active positions. Now, let's talk about dilution. Max dilution reached. This number shows how many times the system hit the maximum dilution during the test. Average dilution count. This gives us an average of how often dilution occurred. It's calculated by dividing the number of trades by the number of positions that required dilution. Time of max dilution. This records the exact date and time when the system hit its highest level of dilution. Now on to the backtesting settings. Start date. This is when the backtest began. End date. This shows how long the backtest was run. Initial capital. This is how much money we started with when testing the strategy. Base quantity. This determines the position size for each trade. Leverage. If we're trading futures, this shows the leverage applied to our trades. A leverage of 1x means no leverage was used. Finally, let's review the performance statistics. Long win rate. This tells us the percentage of successful long trades. Since no long trades were taken, it displays 9%. Short win rate. This tells us the percentage of successful short trades. In this case, the strategy has a 100% win rate, meaning every short trade was profitable. Profit to initial capital. This shows how much profit was generated compared to our starting balance. Here, the strategy made $429.29 USDT, which is a 21.46% return on the initial capital. By analyzing these numbers, we can better understand our strategy's past performance and optimize it for future trades. Now let's check out the general settings. When the Use Average Price option is enabled, it means that if multiple positions are open at once, the system will calculate an average price based on the opening levels and treat the positions as a single entity, closing them all at those average levels. If the option is disabled, the positions are managed separately. Trade direction. Here, you can choose whether you want to trade long, short, or both. If you're trading spot, selecting both will focus only on long trades. While shorting is typically associated with futures, we can also simulate a short position in spot trading. If we already hold a cryptocurrency and see a downtrend forming, we can sell at the signal and later buy back at a lower price. This allows us to free up capital while making a profit from the price drop. Trade type. This lets you choose between spot trading or futures trading. Stats table position. This simply decides where the indicator's data table appears in TradingView. You can place it wherever it's most convenient for you. Stats table text size. If the text is too small or too big, you can adjust its size here to improve readability. Now, let's move on to the indicator settings. In the SuperTrend settings menu, we can adjust the factor and ATR length, which control the sensitivity of the indicator's signals. The lower the factor value, the more sensitive the indicator becomes, meaning it will generate signals more frequently by reacting faster to smaller price movements. On the other hand, a higher factor value results in a more extended trend, providing fewer but stronger signals that focus on larger price shifts. Similarly, adjusting the ATR length affects how the indicator calculates volatility, influencing the trend's responsiveness. In the AI settings, we can let the AI analyze and determine which configuration performed best. At the bottom corner of the screen, we can see the tested values, which one was the most effective, and how much profit it generated. Next up, strategy settings. Here, you can set the start and end points for backtesting your strategy. This helps you analyze past performance. Dilution settings. This is important for risk management. You can set a percentage drop, so if the price moves against you, the system knows when to open another position. The multiplier lets you decide how much bigger the new position should be compared to the previous one. Take profit settings. This is where you set your exit strategy. You can define the minimum take profit level, the maximum take profit level. This ensures you lock in profits based on your targets. Finally, money management settings. Initial capital. Set the starting balance for your trades. Base quantity. Choose how much to trade per position. Leverage. If you're trading futures, set your preferred leverage. Platform fee. Input the trading fees from your exchange. For example, on Oridex, the fee is 0.22%, which barely affects profits. That wraps up our deep dive into the SuperTrendAI indicator. As you've seen, this tool is incredibly powerful for identifying trends and optimizing trade entries with precision. With its customizable factor and ATR length settings, you can fine-tune it to match your trading style. And thanks to the built-in AI analysis, you can effortlessly find the best performing settings for maximum profitability. If you're serious about improving your trading strategy, this indicator is a must-have. Try it out, experiment with the settings, and let the AI do the hard work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy trading!